Yellow rust is everywhere. 2026 has basically been the perfect storm. We've had a very mild winter, and that's come into really quite nice weather as we come through spring and into early summer. So these two plots that I'm standing into are absolutely rammed full of yellow rust. One of the reasons we might be seeing more yellow rust this season is the lack of seedling resistance. If we think about the recommended list as a whole, there's only one variety remaining that has that seedling resistance to yellow rust. That means that varieties are susceptible to yellow rust until adult plant resistance kicks in, and that might not happen until later in the season, so growth stage 39, when the flag leaf is emerging. It's important to remember with yellow rust is the catch-all term, but within that you're talking about lots of different races of the disease. They can change season to season and location to location. It matters because you might see a different impact on the same variety from one year to the next, but also from one field to the next. Variety choice remains your number one foundation of any integrated pest management system. It's the one thing you have absolute control over. We can then think about on-farm hygiene, destroying the green bridge, and we can also think about drill day. Slightly earlier drilling will mean that varieties achieve that adult plant resistance slightly earlier in the season, potentially when the disease is coming in to the crop. And then the final thing to think about is spray program, monitoring your crops, looking for yellow rust, and then acting appropriately. It's one of those diseases you don't want to be chasing it through T0, T1, T2. You want to get on and do something and stop the disease in its tracks. It's important not to let just one factor dictate your variety choice. We need to think about balancing our factors, so other disease resistance, things like septoria, brown rust, but also other agronomics. Will the variety stand up on farm? Is it delivering the quality I need to get it into the end market home that I've selected for it? So we are seeing a lot of yellow rust this season, and that's really important. When you're picking a variety, you're not blinded by the prevalence of just one disease. You're looking at a balance of factors that will be most beneficial on your farm.